What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Let's get into Dogecoin, and this is one where we're going to talk about the Dogecoin hype reigniting. So we have seen Dogecoin see some key price movements, right? We've gotten over our kind of range as we look into the week, as well as some key hurdles within their resistance there on the charts. I'm going to break that all down for you guys and give you my thoughts along the way. If you have not done so, guys, awesome opportunity to do so. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. This is a big thing for us here on the channel as we continue to grow. I'd love to have you part of the team here at the Crypto Mark, and let's get into it, guys, where we do talk Dogecoin. I'll show you guys exactly what's going on within the charts, and we're going to do that first by looking into the crypto bubbles. As you can see today, it is a red day, and that's quite all right. We've had a lot of good days strung together. I'm going to share with you guys what Dogecoin is doing right now. And for those of you that do not know, this is not financial advice. Please, please, please do your own research and due diligence and understand that what I'm talking about in this video is just me expressing my own financial interests and my opinions, okay? But here's Dogecoin right now at 12 cents. And if you guys have been following me for quite some time, the range of Dogecoin that I'm very comfortable with is that 13 to 16 cents. And we are kind of holding that line. It's been a great week, up 15.8%, and an even better month and year, 20 and 106% respectively, into the green. All right. So Dogecoin continues to trade as the 8th ranked crypto in total market cap, sitting right below an $18 billion market cap. And Dogecoin over the last week is really ascending. And we can even talk about it over the past year. Okay, we're not that far off of the yearly high of 20 cents. And it does seem like a lot. It does seem, you know, if it has to go up basically another 50% from where we're at right now, that does seem like a very high hurdle. But with crypto and with meme coins and everything going right now with Bitcoin pressing all-time highs, it doesn't really seem that far-fetched if you really put it into the equation. So let's get into what's going on with these key levels for Doge, and I'll share with you guys kind of where we could be at right now, because this is the big news coming about within Dogecoin if we can break through. So is this surge coming? Let's talk about it. But before we do, if you guys want to get involved with one of my channel sponsors, this is Margex, okay? So if you do trade on leverage, consider exploring Margex as your leverage trading platform. I'll have a link down below in the description where people have been making a lot of goals and gains, I should say, within trading on leverage with Margex. Cool thing about that is the copy trading feature and a lot of the airdrops that they do offer. So if you want to get involved with that, links down below in the description. I believe you do get a chance to claim up to $10,000 in bonuses, as well as a discount on trading fees if you use my link. Also, please remember there's no KYC, and it is a very volatile way of trading crypto. So please do your own research and due diligence and make sure Margex is right for you. And by all means, get started trading today. But this is what we came here to talk about. Okay, so there it is. There is the Doge. As we've surged past 11 cents, we have broken through a lot of the key resistance levels, sparking that bullish momentum. And I've told you guys, for me, it's 13 to 16 cents. Okay, and that's kind of where the next hurdle is, 12.8. So that is where we do see the potential to break out even further if we do get above that 12.8 level. And if we do form the support right around 12 cents, this is a very good sign for Dogecoin. All right. Everything's kind of bullish in crypto. You talk about what's happening. For me, it's always been Q4, Q1, and 2 of 2025. That 9-month stretch is kind of where I look for crypto to really start taking off. We did not have October as previously scheduled. So this is kind of where we get into the narrative where it's coming. And now as Dogecoin is showing strong performance on the chart, the next step is kind of following this blue line right here that's drawn on this graphic in the top right of your screen, where Dogecoin can get back above 20, 25, and maybe even 30 cents. Now, a lot of people probably think, okay, well, that's just completely asinine. Why would Dogecoin ever break out? Dogecoin's dead. Well, you can't really ignore what they have working for them, okay? They do have a pretty big ace in the hole that lies within Elon Musk. Call it what you want, but I think Elon Musk has had a very big role with what's going on in the presidential election. You couple that with the fact of the Department of Government Efficiency, all that narrative, and the fact that Dogecoin has not been integrated on X as that payment for creators there on that platform. So there's something that we can hang our hat on, okay? And if you want to talk about not a rival, but kind of just a 1A, 1B, if you will, within the meme coin space, Shiba Inu has had some exciting news, and they were able to go up 20, 30% in just 1 week's time. And that's something where I think Dogecoin just still hasn't had that push. But as we look into the latest session, Dogecoin, like I said, they're showing a lot of steady performance. It's something where we've reached as high as almost 13 cents. got a little bit of a buyback and kind of receded back into that 12 cents territory. But that's where I've been talking about it. 13 to 16 cents is what's going to give way to 19 cents and above. And that's just kind of how I feel about it. Because once we do break through back to 20 cents, if you remember when Dogecoin did that back, it was like February or March, I believe, of this year. That's when we were talking about 40 cents, 50 cents Dogecoin. Okay. It's not that far out of the realm of possibility. Now, I'm just not here to pump sunshine because I do think that what we have coming in the balance within the presidential election within the United States is going to be a big mover. It's going to be a big game changer, I think, in my opinion, where we do get the likes of a more macro move, if you will, if we do not have the election go in favor of crypto. Okay. And that's just kind of the nuts and bolts of it. Doesn't matter who you vote for. This isn't a political channel. I'm not going to exert my viewpoints on you guys. I'm not going to tell you guys who to vote for, but it does play a role within your crypto. That's just kind of how I feel about it. All right. So let's pay close attention to what we're doing here on the charts, because like I said, and I'll say it till I'm blue in the face, until that 13 to 16 cents range is completely gone and out of the equation. But that is the biggest key range that we're going to be looking at, that zone for Dogecoin within that support and resistance zone that I really feel like that is the range where we need to break through if we want to talk about Dogecoin getting back even close to all-time highs that we saw in 2021 and 2022. So that's what we have. But the biggest storyline and the take-home message of this article is that this price action that we have seen with Dogecoin is very, very bullish. And that's where when you have a new bullish phase come about, you have new wallets, new users, and then all of a sudden the whales start to take notice. And next thing you know, Dogecoin is ready for liftoff. So that's what we have going. Appreciate you all watching. As always, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Also, if you have not done so, follow me on X. My handle is at tcryptomark. Appreciate if you guys follow me on there. I do post content a lot over on that platform as well. So with that, I'll leave you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Enjoy it. Enjoy the bullish activity that we're seeing in the market, because with crypto, as we all know, anything can change, and nobody has that crystal ball. So it's going to be a fun ride on the way up. But that's where we're going to leave it, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace.